Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nonstick cookware sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly 16 PCS pots and pans set from Anymark. Priced at just $49.98, this set offers an impressive 16 pieces, including fry pans, steamers, stew pots, and even some handy accessories like silicone spatulas and reusable pot protectors. The standout feature here is its durable aluminum granite construction, which ensures quick and even heating for consistent cooking results. Plus, the Bakelite handles are designed to stay cool, making it safer to handle during cooking sessions. While this set delivers excellent value for its price, it does have a few limitations. It's not dishwasher safe, and the lack of oven compatibility can be a deal breaker for those who enjoy multi-method cooking. However, for everyday stovetop use, it performs admirably, especially for those on a budget or setting up a new kitchen. The nonstick coating makes cleaning a breeze, and the transparent lids allow for convenient monitoring of your food. Overall, the Anymark 16 PCS set is ideal for beginners or budget-conscious shoppers looking for a complete cookware solution without breaking the bank. While it may lack some premium features, its affordability and practicality make it a solid choice for simple, daily cooking. Coming in at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Nonstick Kitchen Cookware 8-piece set. Priced at $51.41, this is another budget-friendly option that offers solid performance for basic cooking needs. The nonstick coating ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, while the spiral bottom design promotes uniform heat distribution across gas, electric, and glass stovetops, though it's not compatible with induction. The set includes 2 fry pans, 2 saucepans with lids, and a casserole pan with a lid, making it versatile enough for frying, sautéing, and simmering. The soft-touch handles remain cool during cooking, enhancing safety and comfort. However, it's worth noting that this set is hand wash only, which may require extra care compared to dishwasher-safe options. Additionally, it's relatively lightweight, which can be a pro or con depending on your preference. In summary, the Amazon Basics set provides excellent value for its price and is perfect for small households or anyone seeking reliable cookware for everyday tasks. While it doesn't have the advanced features of more premium sets, its simplicity and affordability make it a practical choice for casual cooks. At number 3, we have the Tefal Signature Nonstick Cookware Set, a 12-piece collection priced at $109.99. This set strikes a great balance between affordability and performance, making it ideal for home chefs who want dependable cookware without spending a fortune. It features Tefal's ProGlide nonstick interior, which ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. The thermospot heat indicator is a standout feature, letting you know when the pans are perfectly preheated for optimal cooking results. The set includes fry pans, saucepans, a Dutch oven, and even a griddle, along with basic utensils like a solid spoon and spatula. The vented glass lids offer visibility while cooking, and the sturdy handles provide a secure grip. It's dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adding convenience to your kitchen routine. However, it's not compatible with induction stovetops, which is worth keeping in mind. With its thoughtful design and versatile performance, the Tefal Signature Set is a great option for families or anyone who loves cooking a variety of dishes. It's a step up in quality compared to budget sets, offering durability and functionality that will last for years. At number 2, we have the Carote Nonstick Pots and Pans Induction Cookware Set. This premium 16-piece set, priced at $139.99, is perfect for those who value durability and eco-friendly materials. Made from reinforced die-cast aluminum with a titanium nonstick coating, it offers excellent heat distribution and ensures food doesn't stick. The non-toxic coating is PFOS and PFOA-free, making it a safer choice for your kitchen. The set includes frying pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a stock pot, and accessories like pan protectors and utensils. It's compatible with all stovetops, including Induction, which adds versatility. The silicone lids provide a secure seal, locking in flavor and moisture while cooking. It's also dishwasher safe and easy to clean, making it a convenient option for busy households. However, its slightly heavier build might require extra care when handling. Overall, the Carrot set is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for high-quality cookware that performs consistently and prioritizes health-conscious materials. It's ideal for home chefs who want versatile cookware that can handle a variety of cooking techniques, from frying to simmering. Finally, at the top of our list is the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. This 17-piece premium set, priced at $228.49, is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking professional-grade cookware for their kitchen. The hard anodized exterior ensures durability, while the titanium nonstick coating offers exceptional food release and effortless cleanup. The thermospot technology, unique to Tefal, takes the guesswork out of cooking by indicating when the pans are perfectly preheated. The set includes a wide variety of pieces, including fry pans, saucepans, a griddle, a Dutch oven, and even a steamer insert. It's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and features riveted silicone handles for a comfortable and secure grip. The vented tempered glass lids enhance visibility while locking in moisture and heat. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, it's not compatible with induction stovetops, which might limit its appeal for some users. With its unmatched durability, versatility, and advanced features, the Tefal Ultimate Set is perfect for serious home cooks or anyone ready to invest in high-quality cookware. It's a premium option that delivers professional results, making it well worth the price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.